What's going on YouTube? This finna be my tutorial on how to put a chain on a chainsaw. Yeah, how to put a chain on a chainsaw. How to reassemble it. It's nothing too hard. But that's what it is. See? Got it all broke down. I'm gonna put it on and then I'm gonna take it off. Just show y'all how to take it off and put it on. Stay tuned. Alright, what's going on? So what I'm doing is I'm gonna show y'all how to put a chain back on the chainsaw if you don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna take it all the way off. I'm gonna take everything off. It's the husqvarna, by the way. They fairly similar, cause the Craftsman I had yesterday, it actually it looked different, but it's not actually all the way different. It's very similar, and I ain't even look at the instruction manual for this one, just because I already read and looked at it for the Craftsman. You feel what I'm saying? So you ain't gotta do this, but I'm doing it. I'm gonna clean this. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot more content. I know I had stopped. A lot of stuff had been going on in my life, situations back to back, but now, I mean, situations still going on. Everything ain't perfect. I ain't perfect, but I just go with the flow, man. So, hey, gonna start back posting content like I said. So y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, feel me? That's how this look on the inside of it. Hey, and this how chainsaw look when you take it off. And it ain't complicated at all. So put it like this. Now it's time to get the business. Okay, you see this here? See that? Put it right here, just like that. It go right on, and you push it back all the way where it can't go back no more. So when you get your chain, it'll just go right on there. You know what I'm saying? And okay, let me show y'all this, because this is an important detail. You see how the top going towards my hand right here? The top is going towards my hand, and the bottom is going towards the other hand. You see how it is? That's how you want to put it on. It ain't just you put it on any kind of way. No, that's how you want to put it on. You want the blades, the cutting blades to be going towards the front of this, and the ones at the bottom to be going away from it. So towards it at the top and away from it at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Fairly easy, man. And then you just put it on there, put the chain. And the chain go right on, unless it's a problem that I had yesterday, and the little chain thingies right here. Yesterday on my Craftsman, it was bent, so it wouldn't go on. And I forced it in. I thought it was gonna work like that, and it didn't. It didn't even move. So that was the problem with the second one I had got. See? Now it's on. You gotta make sure it moves like that. If it moves like that, then you know everything. All right. Put it a little bit. You gotta make sure everything is in the right. Just like that. And it's gonna sit now. No way you gotta be. Now with this, you see this piece right here? You have, let me see. Okay, so with this piece right here that's sticking out, that goes inside this hole. You gotta make sure that go inside that hole, because that's what tightens the chain when you need it tightened. Feel what I'm saying? So, put it on like this. And what I do is go under it. See? And I try to make sure that everything is right. Right? Still on that part. Gotta make sure that chain on there right. Or it ain't gonna operate. I'm gonna start posting all type of content on this page, bro. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe and tune in, you know what I'm saying? Tune right on in. I gotta figure out a new name for my page. Cause it ain't gonna just be cutting yards. We're gonna be doing all type of stuff. Okay, now let's get this back going. Okay. Make sure you don't lose your screw, your nut. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you don't lose your nut. Put your nut back on. That's what's gonna keep it. Honestly, don't think that piece is on. Hold on, y'all. Put your nut back on. Get your tool, feel me? You wanna not tighten the nut. Put it on there. And then, see that? That's how you tighten your chain. So what you wanna do is take this little toolie, stick it in there, turn it to the right. That's how you tighten your chain. And your chain should be tight. I don't think you want it too tight though. And you just tighten it back. And that's how you reassemble it. Okay? Make sure your chain tight. That's how you do it. The Husqvarna way. And that's about it, folks. Thank y'all for the ones that tuned in. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Get my video up there. We're gonna post more comment coming soon. Yes, sir. Ski.